Class 12 Maths just got easier. Meet the Oswal Question Bank 2026. Fresh off the package, crisp pages, clean design, and fully updated for the latest CBSE syllabus.
This also contains predictive revision planner for 2026 boards, covers most predictive topics.
This book has all previous year questions and last year's solved paper of all sets. You get chapter-wise questions, NCERT Jor exemplar coverage, mind maps, previous year's papers, and even hints with step-by-step solutions. If maths feels tough, this book's your shortcut to smart prep. Grab it before exam season hits.
And this is totally non-sponsored, of course. So if got something valuable, do subscribe, 'cause I will be back on your feed.